Hello guys, this is a video from Sina and I'm going to solder these LED chips that I have here on this module. These are ws2812b. They have 4 pins, one GND, one VCC and one in and out, and you can connect multiple LEDs with this just with one pin. Okay, let's go. I have these LEDs here. Let's take one of them out. Okay, here is this. I'm going to solder this on this board and some headers to test if they can work. Okay, I'm going to use this hot solder station with this solder, and you may need some flux. Okay, let's go. First, I'm going to set the position of this LED and this small board, maybe like this. No, like this. And then I need to solder one of these pads, place the LED, and do this for other pads. Okay. You don't need that much solder. Clean the tip of this. It's connected now. I think it's okay. It's okay now. Okay, you need some jumpers. You can place one of them here or 3 of them. I'm going to use 3 of them. Okay, just cut them with some tools. You can do it with knife. One and 2. Okay. You can clean this part, but I don't need that right now. Just place this here and the other pin here. Okay, you may want to place this on the breadboard to solder, because they will be some have degrees and they couldn't, and then you can't place them in breadboard. So place them in breadboard and then solder it. Okay, now I place it on breadboard and you can see it doesn't move, and it's now breadboard compatible. So just solder these pins. Okay. Clean the tip, and you now need to connect these ears. I'm going to use this method. Let this thing cool, then connect. Okay. Now it's now connected. So let's move on to programming. Okay, now we are going to connect our LED to Arduino. We can use an Arduino Uno, Nano, every Arduino, or even ESP32, ESP8266, and everything that's Arduino compatible. I'm not going to cover the programming part because there are a bunch of videos out there and you can watch them, but I'm going to give you a link to one of the coding videos. We should download fast LED library and open a color plate example. In that color plate example, we have some settings like pin, LED pin, and number of LEDs. We have one LED here, so we set it to 1, and I want the pin to be number 5, but you can use every pins. We need some jumper wires. I'm going to use 3, but if you're using multiple LEDs, you need more of them. So there's a gap here. Here you can see on your LEDs. This gap is GND, and the opposite side is VCC. So GND, 5 volts, 2 pins left. This pin next to the GND is input, and this pin is output. If you are using multiple LEDs, you should use that pin for input of the next LED. For example, in this module, we have GND here and input here, VCC and output. GND here, VCC, input, output to the next LED's input, output to the next LED input. It's like that. So let's connect. We have GND here, VCC, and input. Okay, let's connect it. VCC to 5 volts or 3.3 volts, GND to GND, and pin 5 to input. Let's connect our Arduino Uno to my computer. Okay, as you can see, the LED is working, and you can see all colors, red, blue, and green, RGB. You can use a capacitor to isolate voltage between this pin GND and the longer pin VCC, but as you can see, it's working without capacitor. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like and say your ideas. Thank you.